So at the time, the daily was bullish. I didn't really care about that because the lower time frames told me to basically go short. We also took out all of these lows, but I only took profit right here. So on the forward, we were bearish. At around market open, we closed below this forward low, which means we broke structure to the downside on the forward. The same for ES. We had this fair value gap, and we disrespected it. I don't know if this is also a gap. Price obviously went right into it at market open, but I think that we inversed the gap on this one right here. On the 1 hour, we're also bearish. Market opened like right here, and then we came up into this 1 hour gap, and this is where I took shorts. This happened like a few hours after market open. So we came to this 1 hour gap, and then we respected it. The same for Nasdaq. This was the 1 hour gap. I didn't care about this gap right here because it was way too far and Nasdaq was the leading index. So we actually formed an SMT before market open. We had this 4 hour high and this 4 hour high, and Nasdaq took all of them out, but ES didn't. So we're bearish on the 1 hour, we're bearish on the 4 hour, and we also came to this 1 hour gap, respected it, and then started printing to the downside. So here we came up into this 1 hour gap, and then we broke structure on this candle right here. Then we have this 5-minute gap. We came into it. This is also equilibrium. Right here we touched equilibrium. Then I scaled down to the 1 minute. Then we confirmed that orders were filled by breaking this 1 minute low. This is where I entered. And I put a limit order right here in this 1 minute gap to get a better fill. There were no news, so the structure was really clean. We had this 1 hour low, and this low actually got hit really quick. And I kind of wanted to take profit right here, but I'm supposed to take profits where price can reverse. And if my direction is right, then it shouldn't reverse on just a 1 hour low. If there were stacked 1 hour lows, then this is where I would take profit. But I was targeting this 4 hour low just to be safe, and price actually went down and took out all the lows that I marked out. And I didn't know we were also going to take out the second daily low. I don't know why I'm recently getting really high risk reward trades, like 4 or 5. Maybe we're just getting really good price action recently, but I feel like I've made way too much profits on this trade. Emotions could be harder to deal with because of that. And usually if you have a higher risk reward trades, then you should risk less. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm already risking like 1% per trade, but I'm going to lower it to less than 1.3. Low key, I sort of thought that I was going to lose this trade because after trading for like months, winning streaks were super rare. I can like show right here. So win loss, win loss, win loss, and I don't know, maybe this is a win streak, and then loss. I think this was one trade. So this was a win, then we got loss after that, win, then losses. This was actually my biggest day. This was 9.4 in profit for the day. Well, these are actually 2 days, I think. Oh, so this is actually my biggest day. Basically, you get the point that after almost every win, I lose. Maybe because I get overconfident. So yeah, lower risk is gonna help me deal my emotions better. Well, I'm really glad that I followed my rules again. That's the most important thing, and hopefully I can keep this up. Let me know in the comments if you have any video ideas or tips for me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.